It's Talk Back Tuesday with me, Fancy Nancy, and today we are talking about sinks. So there's many options when it comes to sinks in your kitchen, and so what I want to know is how many of you love the farmhouse sink look with the apron front, and then aside from that, do we like the white porcelain? Do we like the stainless? What kind of sinks do you like? They also have like the concrete ones that are super durable that come in different colors, like the gray and the black and the different things. So I want you to comment below and tell me what kind of sink you prefer and what color you like. And also they have like different placements of where they can actually put the drain in your sink. So like this one, for example, is on the upper right hand corner. A lot of times they're in the center. What do you feel like is the best for your sink and your needs? You know, you have the split bowl sinks, the 60-40, 50-50. What do you like? Single bowl. Tons of choices when it comes to sinks. So comment below and let me know your thoughts and what sink you like. And that's Fancy today for me, and live is fancier.